A federal ruled on Friday that thousands of additional migrant families that were separated by the Trump administration's zero-tolerance policy should be part of an ongoing class action lawsuit, and may force the administration to reunite them as well. U.S. District Judge Dana Sabrov has already ordered the administration to reunite more than 2,800 migrant children who were separated from their parents as of June 26, 2018, the date he issued his order. Sabrov wrote in Friday's order that he set that date because there was no reason to believe the government had been systematically separating families en masse before then. But in recent months, media reports and an Inspector General report revealed that the administration had an undisclosed family separation pilot program in place starting in July of 2017, which may have led to thousands of additional separations. So on Friday, he ruled that families separated during those 11 months are part of the class action lawsuit. He scheduled a hearing on March 27 to decide whether the government will be required to identify all of the additional families, or to reunite them as well. The hallmark of a civilized society is measured by how it treats its people and those within its borders, Sabrov wrote. That defendants may have to change course and undertake additional effort to address these issues does not render modification of the class definition unfair, it only serves to underscore the unquestionable importance of the effort and why it is necessary, and worthwhile. The new order came in response to a request from the ACLU after it learned of the additional separations. The civil rights group, which is leading the family separation lawsuit, said it was imperative that all separated families at least be accounted for, and possibly reunited in cases where the parent was deported or remains in government custody in the U.S. LegalEarned, who has led the lawsuit for the ACLU, called Friday's ruling a critical step toward ensuring that all families affected by zero tolerance are counted. The court made clear that potentially thousands of children's lives are at stake and that the Trump administration cannot simply ignore the devastation it has caused, he said. The Trump administration has been fighting back against the ACLU request. The Department of Health and Human Services Office of Refugee Resettlement, or, which cares for migrant minors who arrive in the U.S. alone or are separated from their parents, said its case managers would be forced to manually review the case files of all 47,000 minors who passed through the department's shelters over the previous year. Jalin Suolog, deputy director for children's programs at the department, wrote in a court filing that such a review would require 100 analysts working 8 hours a day for up to 471 consecutive days. Please subscribe our channel, USA Update.